Hello everyone, and welcome to our webinar, 9 Essential Features for a Food Safety Management System. My name is Gus Oliveira, and I'm an International Product and Market Manager here at SoftExpert. Market consolidation, changing consumer preferences, and increasing government regulations are dramatically impacting manufacturing and business strategies of the food and beverage industry. In this savage competitive marketplace, companies must offer a greater variety of products to meet consumer demand. At the same time, they must consistently and cost-effectively produce high-quality and safety products. Quality and safety are two essential attributes for companies in the food and beverage sector. And it seems that today, more than ever, the entire food and beverage production chain must constantly demonstrate its commitment to the quality and safety of the food and beverages they produce. Here are some of the biggest pressures faced by F&B companies that directly or indirectly affect the quality and safety of their products. Competitive scenario: produce quality products at the lowest possible cost is a major concern. Multiple and changing products meet the ongoing evolution of consumer demand. Consumer satisfaction: ensure the highest quality and service possible. Product safety: consumer health ailments caused by unsafe products can represent significant loss to the company. Supply chain integration: manage operations to ensure that production orders are scheduled and executed on time. Compliance with food standards: there are ever-increasing standards, initiatives, and good practices that regulate the management and activities of the sector. The concern about food safety is the reason for the existence of Food Safety Management Systems, or FSMS. The FSMS provides a preventative approach to identify, prevent, and reduce food hazards. This is to minimize the risk of food poisoning and to make food safe for consumption. A well-designed FSMS with appropriate control measures can help food companies comply with food regulations and ensure that the food prepared for sale is hygienic and safe for consumers. There are several entities and initiatives that offer FSMS regulations to the market. Even with some differences, they have central elements in common. For now, it's important just to mention the main ones, divided into two groups. ISO 22000, composed by HACCP, or Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, and PRP, Prerequisite Programs. GFSI and its acknowledged standards such as FSSC 22000, IFS, SQF, BRC, and GRMS. Automating the food safety management system facilitates the execution of processes and procedures related to the safety and quality standards and regulations. Now you will see how technology can contribute by supporting and automating the main steps of a food safety management system, as well as the main business processes of an F&B industry. There are a lot of resources offered by solutions for the food and beverage sector, but some of them are essential to add value to the final product and to reinforce the organization's commitment to health and consumer satisfaction. Quality management is a rigorous set of processes and techniques to measure, improve, and control the product quality based on what is important to the customer. The goal of this approach is to bring procedures to defect-free levels by trying to eliminate variations in processes. Companies can use software solutions for implementing quality programs through processes mapping, document control, risk assessment, performance metrics, employee training, ongoing auditing, as well as recording and reporting issues and non-conformance incidents, performing cause analysis, and resulting in corrective actions. By improving operational efficiencies in quality systems, a software solution lowers the cost of regulatory compliance and creates a transparent environment for proactively identifying, tracking, and resolving quality issues. To meet multiple and changing products at an acceptable speed, companies must have a robust product lifecycle management solution. It is only by better managing their product lifecycle holistically that F&B companies can react fast enough to market changes to preserve or increase revenues and profit margins. An integrated product lifecycle management solution, or PLM solution, can simplify and improve the core processes that impact the development, launch, and ongoing management of products. It enables companies to accelerate innovation, leverage product launches, drive down product costs, and enhance product performance. A software solution will help organizations to execute and improve the main processes in product lifecycle management, which includes project and portfolio management to improve the effectiveness of their innovation efforts, specification management to maintain full traceability of precise and complete product data through the entire product structure, supplier management to preserve visibility of the supply chain entities and sourcing approvals, and lastly, formulation and bill of materials management to ensure product integrity by better managing product formulations and reformulations. Food safety needs to be thought of as a chain and not separately. F&B companies must ensure the visibility and traceability of supplier processes, integrate suppliers in the process of quality and safety management, and mitigate supplier risks. A software solution must be oriented for measuring supplier quality, delivery, service performance, as well as incoming and outgoing goods across operational and business processes. The software must streamline all inspection tasks, create forms and checklists, schedule inspections, record results, and track corrective actions to completion. The solution evolves the process of receiving materials from suppliers and prepares inspection schedules based on skip lot profiles driven by supplier rating performance. It also tracks and evaluates the quality of supplier goods in real time, reducing defects in finished products related to poor supplier quality. There are dozens of federal, state, and industry agencies that oversee regulation and standards compliance for each subsector of the industry. Many companies in this sector are at risk for failing to comply with the many regulations, and every month, several companies are cited for misconduct and fined for their failure to comply. They risk a massive product recall and corporate loss in market value for their negligence. Compliance management must be taken seriously, and a technology solution must support standardized processes and controls, training programs, enhanced traceability handling, comprehensive record keeping, enhanced labeling, document management, and internal audits. Risk management for food and beverage companies focuses basically in food safety, which in turn are supported by countless regulations that share a similar baseline. A software solution helps organizations to execute and improve processes and communicate risks in real time and effectively across the company. It should allow for the configuration of flexible methods for risk assessment and analysis, applying them to each process activity. It also should assist in defining the type of control for the analyzed risk, control revisions, and generate reports on potential risks in each step. The solution should facilitate the application of flexible decision trees in order to determine if the evaluation step is a critical control point, or CCP, or not. It should be able to document the identified CCPs, defining their critical limits, monitoring procedures, and related corrective actions. A process in the food and beverage industry has an important role considering the holistic scenario that embraces quality, safety, and compliance management. Not underrating the set of regular processes, activities, tasks, and methods used in corporate functions, the food production process is the main element in this sector and should receive special attention. The food and beverage production process is a preliminary step from HACCP model. Its modeling and approval is a prerequisite for all the next steps to ensure food safety. The process flow diagram must identify all the steps used to prepare the product from receiving to final shipment, include any rework or recycling of materials, as well as ingredients and raw materials inputs in the process. A software solution should provide the tools, technologies, and infrastructure to automate complex processes end-to-end, while also connecting with applications and existing systems across the enterprise. With an effective solution, food and beverage organizations can design flowcharts, simulate conditions and variations, establish performance baselines, visually identify risks and CCPs, automate process instances, conduct change management and revisions, and continuously optimize their business and operational processes. Simply put, performance management includes activities to ensure the goals are consistently being met in an effective and efficient manner. Performance management can focus on performance of the organization, departments, processes to support operations, employees, and etc. Just making employees aware of the scorecard indicators influences their practices, which improves quality and safety. A software solution allows food and beverage organizations to balance business goals with operational outcomes by integrating strategy, planning, and execution into a seamless process. It turns raw data that comes from all across the organization into valuable key performance indicators that can be used to effectively manage operational performance, resource utilization, cost effectiveness, staffing and financial results with greater precision and certainty. The software should offer a complete range of publishing, distributing, monitoring, reporting, and analyzing capabilities within a scorecard and dashboard architecture to allow everyone to make better business decisions every day and drive performance goals. The vast amount of laws and regulations that the food and beverage companies are subject to has imposed a lot of consequences to its routines and processes. The main one is definitely the additional record keeping each new regulation requires. Work instructions, standard operating procedures or SOPs, internal policies, product descriptions, and GMP HACCP records are just a short list of quality, safety, and compliance managers have to deal with in their daily activities. A software solution provides the technology to create, capture, manage, store, preserve, and deliver all the content, records, and documents related to your organizational processes. A comprehensive solution must be able of managing the content repositories regardless of their type, whether physical or digital. As content enters the repository, powerful content services improve information indexing and automates content classification, complying with the enterprise taxonomy. And finally, F&B organizations' core competencies help define and sustain their competitive advantage. Competency management is critical for assessing employee performance, identifying opportunities for training and development, and cultivating talent pools. Ongoing employee development and training are keys to developing and maintaining a high-performance workforce, but also to increase employee satisfaction and retention. Ultimately, even the consumer health and safety passes through the hands of qualified professionals or not. A software solution provides managers with effective tools to evaluate the employee's demonstration of technical and behavioral competencies and put development and training plans in place where needed. The software offers an effective way to automate time-consuming and paper-based appraisal processes. It still enables organizations to better compose multidisciplinary teams demanded by its highly regulated environment. During the presentation, the screenshots used to illustrate what I was talking about were taken from SoftExpert's excellent suite, SC Suite. SE allows food and beverage organizations to become compliant with multiple standards, regulations, and initiatives such as HACCP, ISO 22000, and GFSI schemes, FSSC 22000, SQF, BRC, IFS, and etc. The software effectively and efficiently automates food safety programs to achieve better oversight, real-time information, better results, and better safety assurance, streamlined food safety management. It is an integrated management software system that addresses the specific needs of food quality management, providing a framework of modular resources that automates and streamlines food quality processes. Thank you all for taking part in this presentation. If you have any questions, please send an email to sales@softexpert.com. For more webinars, white papers, success cases, and other materials regarding SoftExpert solution for the food and beverage industry, please visit our website at www.softexpert.com. See you next time.